In today's little video, we are going to be fitting Blitz SUS filter and some custom intake pipework onto the Evo. So you can see down here, we have a nice shiny Blitz SUS filter. And then down here, we have the rather grim looking, I think it's Biltmer brand intake, which is the same size as the Blitz, but obviously it's not Blitz. I'm a bit of a brand monkey. There's the original pipework for the intake. Now the problem with the Evo, stepping all over everything, is that you don't have much room here from the turbo to the radiator, bottom radiator hose. So in fact you've got about 8 centimeters before the turbo intake pipe hits the radiator hose, and you can see here it's worn the radiator hose a little bit, and the stock pipework, well, say stock, the aftermarket pipework that came on the car squashes the radiator hose. I don't want to do that, so we need to make some custom pipework so we can get clearance and get the filter fitted. So cue lots of pipes from Do 88 here in Sweden. They make fantastic kit. It is 63mm is the outside diameter on the turbo, and the Blitz is 80mm. So what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to take some measurements and I'm going to cut this pipe, which I hate doing because they're not cheap, cut this pipe as close as I can to the bend, and then make up with some joiners and things, make up pipework that is then going to allow me to fit the filter behind the passenger headlight, which is the plan. So the first thing to do is going to be cutting this nice new shiny hose and getting that bit figured out and done, and then we can start to build the rest of the jigsaw from there and cut things down and trim things to make things fit. Okay, so this is what I ended up with the pipe coming off the turbo. So I've kind of cleaned it all up and straightened it. I've left some paper in there just to stop anything falling in because it's sitting at an angle like that. So while I'm dicking around, any sort of dirt debris will just go straight into the turbo. So I don't want that. So let's put this on the car, see how this bit looks, and we can build up the pipework from there. Okay, so that is on there now. Oops. It's still just about touching, but that is okay, I think. So let's build up the rest of the system and work out how to do that. Okay, so after mucking about with the air filter as well, here, kind of got it roughly held into place where it's going to go, measuring with the ruler, I've figured out that this pipe needs to drop by 13 centimeters to meet the filter, and obviously I don't have 13 centimeters here to play with, so I'm going to have to cut both pipes down a little bit to get the right height. So do that, and then we can hopefully get it back on the car and work out any little kinks, but that should be all I need to do, obviously apart from the bracket for the air filter. Okay, we've got the hose now cut down to size and cleaned up, so that's basically going to go like that. And that should be fine. So let's just get it on the car and see how it looks, and then we can move on to working out the air filter bit. Okay, so there we go. We've got the pipe work on and pretty much straight. Obviously no jubilees on there yet because I need a proper connector between these two hoses. But that is where the air filter is going to sit. All that fits perfectly okay. So now we just need to make a bracket that's going to hold the Blitz filter into place when it's all mounted up so it's not flapping around. But that's kind of it.
A few inches later.
Okay, so we've got our pipework and everything now ready to fit. I've tested it on the car. I've also made up this little bracket here, which is going to hold the filter head in place so it doesn't wobble around. So all we need to do now is fit it, and I have enlisted the help of my player 2 on her first ever car fiddly job.
Hey.
So we'll see how we get on with this. Mm-hmm. So because we've not done this before, we're going to see how we get along with how to not mansplain things and how to not have you throw silicone at me. So the first thing will be to put that pipe on the turbo down there. Yeah, that's one. Job done. Nice.
It's just this one that can turn that later.
What's the clamp?
Jubilee.
Yeah. We'll reach down to that and loosen that bit.
Okay.
Next.
It's
like a jigsaw puzzle.
That way in.
I'm shit at holding a camera, it seems. I'm kind of just getting your arms.
Ow! These things hurt.
Looking good? Yeah.
So
we can sort it out in the editing. last piece.
And it's this way.
And it's with the Do 88. That's it, yeah, perfect.
So here I am, turning clamps.
It's something you need to know. Straight-ish. Yeah, that's about right, isn't it? Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Now it's put on the filter neck first.
Oh yeah.
And then so you need a clamp for that. So that's going to be one of them. Yeah. Don't forget to put it the right way around.
How do I know it's the right way around? So is it this thingy bit that needs to go a certain?
So we're that way around, like that.
Okay. So you happy with that?
Yeah, looking about right. We need to rotate it.
Oh, the other way.
Yeah.
You could have said that without mansplaining it.
That's good. So, as
good
the Swedes
Swedish
say.
word.
So.
No, so, which means I'm done with this. Now what?
And then fy fan when it all goes horribly wrong.
Shut up.
Now it's your bracket.
Do I need these thingamajigs?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll grab some of these for you.
I put in that super stealthy pocket.
Yeah. So that way around, that's it. I'm doing a terrible job of videoing you doing this.
So do I need to sort of...
That's fine, like that.
Okay. Here. It's like they didn't think about people needing to do this.
No, this is me. This is my fault.
It's really?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is all my fault. It's like this is... I spend most of my life trying to find the ends of nuts with my hand. That sounds wrong.
What? That way. Like
Yep. Yeah. Tummy. No, okay. Back away.
Let me try, at least.
So we ended up doing it by going underneath the car. I held a nut in the washer and Malin screwed it.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, yay. So now you want your... Okay, so the bottom two ones. Mm-hmm. So you're going to have that going through there.
Okay.
And then going through there.
I need to take one of these off, no?
No, they're captive, so they're meant to fit like that. Captive washers, or whatever you call them.
Learn something new every day. But okay, so am I just...
So if you put that through there, it'll screw in automatically.
But these ones aren't really the ones on the bottom, though.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
So
and this now obviously fits on the right way. So if you fit that That's it, like that way around like that. And then if you take...
Okay, so should I...
So if you screw these two top ones in just so they're showing through, then they'll screw in to that neck thing.
Do you do sounds like that?
Yes. You've heard me swearing from the house.
Yo.
In the garage going, fuck!
I thought you cut yourself that time.
Yeah.
I
did afterwards just to punish myself for fucking up so badly.
I also thought you were the neighbour one.
A few moments later.
Well, I've noticed that the weave on this goes that way, and the weave on this goes that way.
Oh wow!
So
how are you living?
That's gonna. So that's gonna have to go at some point.
Do it just like.
Yeah, that's it for now.
It needs tightening.
Yeah, and then get the. So that's pretty tight.
I haven't sort of pulled at all.
I think that's going to be okay because they'll hold it in place, the little captive nut things.
Okay,
so now the next job is going to be we just need to tighten up these things at the bottom, and that's going to be maybe I'll go underneath. So we won't video this bit. I'll go underneath and hold the nut in place
because difficult.
Eventually,
say hello to my little friend.
So we've now reached the Jubilee bit. So
shall I put that in like the same?
Yeah, if you can. Yeah. Yes.
I'm just thinking, I know you, Mr. OCD.
Now the last thing we need to do, put the filter head on, and then we can stand back and look and bask in the glory.
Taking this out? No?
Yes.
We haven't talked this bit through, so this is brand new. I mean, everything has been brand new.
So the lampshade.
So this goes on like that?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, no, yeah, we need to twist the doobly the other way around. Yep. So now we need the drill.
Maybe not needing all of this right now. I'm not sure how to.
I'm compensating for something.
Oh dear. It would be easier if this thing was okay, but
yeah. Do you want to take some? Take that off and then pull the end off, and then there you go. Done.
Hey!
High five.
I did that.
And there we go. That's it. So that is the Blitz air filter now fitted on the car. We're all done. Would you like to add any comments to the installation? What did you think of it? Did you like the solo.lap air filter kit?
If I did, I have no opinion.
It was shit.
Clearly, it's lovely.
Yes.
See, I don't know. Are we selling this?
Imagine that. No. Perfect. So that's it then, I think. So that's been this thrilling instalment. We've got an air filter on the car. Now, on to the next job.